What's good? It's Tommy Touge. We're back. So we're back on the Integra 2.0, aka Habib's Integra. Now I've got to get this motor apart, well, separated from this gearbox, transmission in this case. But it's not all been bad, you know. I came out yesterday, I completely forgot to film, which was nice. But in like half an hour I managed to get this subframe separated. So the power steering rack was connected, and these hubs were connected to the arms, low control arms. So all that's separated, ready for doweling. The drive shafts over here. We did damage one of the boots, but they're obviously rebuildable and repairable, so we'll keep them as spares. And as always, this episode is actually sponsored by Hello Panda again. Yeah, shout out to them. Yeah, make fantastic snacks. Anyway, straight back into this segment of taking this apart. Yeah, so we got to get to these big bolts here, crack them off. I think there's one down there. Crack them off, undo those, and hopefully this should come apart with the torque converter and stuff. But yeah, I guess you'll see some more of this now. Hello. 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 Come here. Hello. Hello. Hi, Ollie. Hello. 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 Nicest comment about Holly gets, I don't know. What should we send him, Holly? What should we send him? What should we send him? Get off that. You goose. Come here. Hello. Nicest comment about Holly. I'll send you 2 boxes of Hello Pandas. Not one. The incredible deal of 1 nice comment. My favourite nice comment will get 2 boxes of Hello Pandas sent to your address. Oh, you sat. Good girl. Good girl. Hey, hey, good job. So that one's obviously covered in oil and grease, road dirt. That should be holding it together. Maybe the rear main's leaking, I guess. Not really too sure. But we're redoing the rear main anyway, so it doesn't really matter. Well, that's 3 out of 5 mini bolts. I think most of them are on the top and sides, really. Maybe too many on the bottom. Let's have a look. So there's those. What else have we got? Oh, there's one down in there. Alright, so we're just literally following the casing around, really. Having a look. So there's possibly ones. There's definitely one there. I don't know what I've got to undo that. Yeah, so this mount has to come undone. Looking at it. And then that bolt back there should hold it together as well. And that should pretty much at that point almost release, I would guess. I don't know, I guess we'll find out. Huh. I'll take those off and we'll see where we're at. So just those two gold bolts here. And then this one back there. There's also like a little nut up in there. Oh, you can see it. Take that off. Then looking at it, there's probably not really much else holding it. Looking at it, that should be pretty much it. Other than those, I guess those three, this L bracket probably comes off. But we'll make it work. We'll get it done. That's one less piece out of the way. That piece is just on the joint apparently. A bit better access to that bolt. I am going to take these out and just keep the intermediate shaft how it is, because I believe it'll be a better option at this point. That bolt there. I guess that bolt there. That should be almost all of them, I reckon. I guess I'll come back when I get to that. So it's still stuck. I have to have a look. I did get the intermediate shaft out. That's out of the way. I'm not really sure. Might just be stuck. I assume those bolts down there just screw into the box. And there's a plate. The plate is here. It's there. But I assume that is just plating onto the gearbox, or trans. I'm not sure. I'll have to have a look. A little bit of prying with my handy pry bar. It's definitely a screwdriver. Pried it off, so hopefully if I pry the other side, this tranny's free, other than the wiring loom, but that's okay. So let's get around here and give the pry a try, as they say in nowhere. Definitely recommend using the appropriate tools usually, but I don't have a pry bar here, so screwdriver it is. And I think, my friends, that is a tranny and a motor separated, which would be nice. Should we see if I can wrench on it? It's a heavy boy, but let's give it a wrench. Separated the box from the motor, and you never guess what's inside. Oh, look at it. It's a rare Hello Panda torque converter. Oh, hell yeah. What a dreamy piece of equipment. Oh, rare find. JDM, all the JDMs. VTEC, Chicka chow mein. Oh yeah. Alright, so we've managed to separate the two. Now I've just got to undo the wiring loom, and then the box is completely free. How I did it, I undid some random piece of steel underneath I didn't need to undo. That's fine. Undid the starter just to make sure, and then it was literally just a classic case of wriggle jiggle, keep sending, and pull it. And now the two are apart, and yeah, so I guess I'll just undo this wiring loom, and the box is gone. She's done. She's gone out. How good. So labelled the loom just in case. Separated the starter motor down there. And now we just got a box and a motor. Sick. So I'm just going to throw the box over there, out of my merry little way. And then, yeah, the motor's pretty much going to stay. And I'll start undoing this and making this work. Hell yeah. Getting it done, boys. Getting it done. So we have some friends. We got Habib, an Evelyn, a wife. Weigh in on the motor, wife. How do you think? Give us a progress assessment and progress report. Here we go.
Yeah, it's on the floor now.
Indeed, she's correct. It's on the floor now. Fuck me, right? So we obviously used the correct manual lifting procedure of the crane and definitely put it there with the crane. We definitely didn't lift it out because that would be dumb. Tranny's over there. This is here. More things are going in the trailer, but that doesn't matter. Habib, guess what we're giving away today?
A bowl? Oh, a can of deep.
Oh, she's onto it. Not one, but two Hello Pandas.
And an empty can of degreaser.
And an empty can of degreaser. All right, we can up the stakes. Do you want to know what for? It'll really brighten your day. The nicest comment about Holly gets that one. The nicest comment.
Alright, the little angel over there doesn't destroy anything.
She looks so cute.
She looks so innocent.
I want to touch her. Sean, I'm going to wreck your dog. Oh, your dog's going to wreck me. Give it a boop. Give it a boop goodbye. See ya.